Morning, sleepyhead.
Morning.
Slept well?
Like a baby.
That's good. I mean, you're well rested.
Yeah. Rested and ready to go on our own.
Really? Some never get enough last night.
Yeah, but that was last night. It's morning now, and I'm ready for my refill.
Promises do strange things to women, though.
What?
Never mind.
No, Marcus. No. You're not going to just say that and expect that I'm going to forget it. What do you mean by that?
You have been avoiding us spending time together for months now. And the minute I told you that I have the first set of paperwork for the property, and all of a sudden, you want to spend the night.
Marcus. So you are telling me that my reason for wanting to come here, make love to you, and spend the night is because you got the papers for the place? That's what you're telling me?
Look on the chain of events and how it unfolded. And tell me if the shoe was on the other foot, if you wouldn't be as curious.
Okay, I can see how you came to that conclusion based on how things happen. But, Marcus, I realize I've been unreasonably difficult, and I decided to just make it up to you.
And you're no longer concerned about me being married, right?
Are you trying to be an asshole? Jesus fucking Christ, man. Or you just like this naturally? You know, I've heard the stories. But this is the first time I'm seeing you like this.
And last night was the first time I saw you in that mode.
What mode, Marcus?
A gold digger.
What the fuck? You know what? Fuck you, Marcus. Fuck you. Nothing that I have is any handout from anybody. I work for every fucking thing that I have and I work very hard to earn it. The only person that's important to me is my son. And everything that I do is for him.
Beautiful, passionate, heartfelt. But you know, as a politician, I know that these passionate deliveries are sometimes rehearsed so that it feels very real. Is that what you're doing?
Oh, sorry, Marcus. I didn't know that we were part of a political discussion, speech, or debate. So, what the fuck is this about?
You know what? Come to think of it, we've never had a heart-to-heart conversation.
Fuck up.
What do you mean? You ever listen to me? We have been dating for a little bit over 3 months, right? So we really don't know each other that well. We're at surface level. I think it's about time that we do a deep dive and have a moment of truth, so to speak.
We're not having any moment of truth after that disrespectful utterance you gave just now. I think I need to leave.
Patrice, we need to talk. It is important.
Oh. Okay, Marcus. Let's talk.
You know, All I have ever wanted to do from I was a child was to help people. And politics has made that possible. And even though it has a dark side, I think I have managed to live up to a very commendable standard. The problem I've always had is people being true to their word, being honorable, who is real and who is not. I took Michelle from her parents and gave her the life of a queen. And how did she repay me? Betrayal, by having a child with my brother and have me fathering it. She faked her own death. And I mourned her. And despite all of that, I forgave her and continued my fatherly duties. She has left the island with Tiffany, and I have no idea where they've gone. The agency that Angela Brissett worked for infiltrated my organization and planted a young lady there who pretended to have feelings for me.
Wait, what? Angela Brissett was an agent?
It's hard for me to trust people. And I will never forgive or forget what they did to me. And I'm determined to sink them into the deepest pit there is, one way or the other.
Why didn't you tell me all of this?
Like I said, I don't know who is real and who is not. So the real question is, are you real, Patrice? That we need to know. Everyone that I hold dear to me, all them do, I tick and tick. Them give me heartache, deception, and lies. At some point, it becomes unbearable. Too much to bear. So, if you're one of the fake ones, I rather